How to fix easy anti-cheat not installed. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Step one, you just have to go to the site and install easy anti-cheat. You just have to tap this one. Okay, you just have to click X and go back to that site. And as you can see, it is downloading. And all you have to do is to wait. Step two, once done, you just have to go to download folder, right click this one, and then click run as administrator. And just wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Step three, click install easy anti-cheat. And then after that, you can click on install. And then after clicking on install, you have to click install again. Okay, step four, all you have to do is just simply go to easy anti-cheat folder. And then to do that, you just have to go to local disk, go to program files times 86, and then scroll down and look for Steam. After that, you have to go to Steam apps. And then here, step five, you just have to look for that specific game in which you can see this error. For example, this amended adventure. And then all you have to do is to go to easy anti-cheat and then do the same process. You have to right click, add as administrator, and then install. As easy as that. After doing this, it will fix anti-cheat not installed. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.